Tell me why I shouldn't throw this drink in your bitch-ass face.
You sure this was a good idea?
Are you sure you want this company?
Because you never get up off the floor, bitch. Look, I'm sorry. She was talking trash. Trash. Ain't no punk.
Go back to jail, bitch. You were harassing me from the moment you arrived. Let it go. You two deserve it.
Chill.
Right, who's pulling Kitty now, bitch? Don't touch me, team.
You okay?
Run this pearl, ho. Bring it. For me.
Let it go, come on. Let it go, come on. Mom, calm down. Come on, Mom.
All right. I'm through.
Hey, look, we're here out of hate for the same man, right? Right?
And Mom, if we're gonna make a play for Empire, we need her.
Why do we need her?
Because Anika's got the relationship with Tony Trichter, that's
Who the
why.
hell is that?
He's a famous corporate raider. We need somebody on his level if we're gonna be serious about this, Mom.
They call him Tricky Trichter because he's the best at hostile takeovers.